Good day mga boss! Welcome po sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, we're going to find the value of the sine and cosine of the angle theta subtended by each arc length on the unit circle, and we're going to solve also for the tangent theta. So are you ready? Let us start! Okay, so yung tuturo ko ngayon sa inyo mga boss is kung paano makuha yung value ng sine, cosine at saka tangent ng angle theta gamit lamang yung unit circle. But before that, let us first consider the different concepts na magagamit natin sa pagkuha ng value ng sine, cosine at tangent ng given angle theta. Okay, una mga boss is yung quadrants ng ating Cartesian plane. So, yung ating Cartesian plane may apat na quadrants yan mga boss. We have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay? At sa bawat quadrants, okay, meron dyang coordinates. And sa coordinates, meron yang sign mga boss. Sa quadrant 1, so yung x-coordinate natin is positive at yung y-coordinate natin is also positive. Sa quadrant 2, yung x-coordinate is negative and yung y-coordinate is positive. Sa quadrant 3, both y and x coordinates are negative. Sa quadrant 4, so yung x coordinate is positive and yung y coordinate is negative. Okay? Next, meron din akong ituturo sa inyong technique mga boss. Pag yung reference angle ng given angle is 30 degree, okay? The point of intersection of its terminal side and the unit circle is either positive, negative, square root of 3 over 2, positive, negative, 1/2. So, depende na lang po yan yung sign ng kanilang coordinates kung saang quadrant na locate ang kanilang terminal side. Pag 60 degree yung reference angle, yung possible na coordinate ng point of intersection ng terminal side at tsaka unit circle is positive, negative, 1/2, positive, negative, square root of 3 over 2. Pag 45 degrees naman mga boss, we have positive, negative, square root of 2 over 2, tsaka positive, negative, square root of 2 over 2. Now, yung sine theta mga boss, that corresponds to the y coordinate. So, pag nahanap na natin yung coordinates ng point of intersection ng terminal side at saka unit circle, okay, mas madali na nating makuha yung sine value ng given angle. So, yung sine theta, that corresponds to the y coordinate. Ibig sabihin, pag ano yung value ng y coordinate, automatic, yan na yung value ng inyong sine theta. Okay, pag cosine theta, that corresponds to the x coordinate, at yung tangent theta corresponds to y over x. Okay. Okay, we have here a problem. Find the value of the sine and cosine of the angle theta subtended by each arc on the unit circle and solve for the tangent theta. So we have here 30 degree angle, 495 degrees, at saka 5 pi over 3. Okay, let us solve first for the 30 degree angle. What is the sine, cosine, and tangent value of 30 degree angle? So the first thing you are going to do is you determine the reference angle of the 30 degree angle. Since the terminal side of the 30 degree angle lies in quadrant 1, therefore we can say that the reference angle is also 30 degrees. So meron po akong video na ginawa mga boss sa kung paano mag-determine ng reference angle of a given angle in standard position sa pinakamadaling paraan. Ilalagay ko lang po yung link sa description sa baba para madali nyong mahanap yung video na ginawa ko. Okay. So, pag yung terminal side of a given angle nasa quadrant 1, automatic yan mga boss, yung reference angle ng given angle is the angle itself. Since 30 degree angle, the terminal side of the 30 degree angle is in quadrant 1, therefore the reference angle of 30 degree angle is also 30 degrees. Okay? Next, pag nahanap nyo na po yung reference angle of a given angle, the next thing you are going to do is you determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the terminal side of the given angle and the unit circle. So kanina mga boss, meron akong binigay sa inyo regarding sa pag-determine ng coordinates. Pag na-determine nyo na po yung reference angle. So, yung reference angle natin is 30 degree. So, yung possible ng coordinates niya is positive, negative, square root of 3 over 2, tsaka positive, negative, 1/2. So, magbavari lang po dyan yung sine, kung saan na-locate yung terminal side ng ating given angle. So yung 30-degree angle, the terminal side of the 30-degree angle is located in the first quadrant. So ibig sabihin, yung x-coordinate natin is positive at saka yung y-coordinate natin is also positive. Therefore, we have here the coordinates of square root of 3 over 2 at saka 1/2. Okay? Both the x and the y coordinate are all positive because sabi ko nga yung terminal side ng 30 degree is nasa quadrant 1. Okay? So after nyo na mahanap yung coordinate mga boss, pwede na po nating ma-determine yung value ng sine 30 degrees at saka cosine 30 degrees. Okay. Sabi ko kanina mga boss, yung sine 30 degree correspond to the y coordinate. So ano po ba yung y coordinate natin dyan mga boss? Okay, tama, 1/2. So sine 30 degree is equal to 1/2. Yung cosine 30 degree natin corresponds to the x coordinate, that is equal to the x coordinate. So x coordinate natin is square root of 3 over 2. Okay? So once na-determine na natin yung value ng sine 30 degree at cosine 30 degree, pwede na nating makuha yung value ng tangent 30 degree. That is equivalent to y over x. So y natin is 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. Okay? So this is equal to 1/2. So proceed to multiplication, get the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 2 square root of 3. Okay? So we can cancel this. 1 na lang ito, 1. 1 times 1, that is 1 over 1 times square root of 3 is equal to square root of 3. Okay? So to simplify, okay, so multiply natin ng conjugate kasi we have a denominator, we have a radical in the denominator. So multiply pa tayo ng conjugate mga boss. So the conjugate is square root of 3 over 3 para mawala yung radical sa denominator. Now this is equal to 1 times square root of 3, that is square root of 3. Okay? Over square root of 3 times square root of 3, that is square root of 9. Okay? Or 3. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, tangent 30 degrees, okay, is equal to square root of 3 over 3. Okay, next mga boss, we're going to determine the sine, cosine, tangent value of 495 degrees. Okay? Since the given angle is greater than 360 degrees, yung gagawin natin mga boss para mas madali nating makuha yung reference angle is we're going to get first the smallest positive coterminal angle of 495 degrees. So yan po yung technique. Okay, pag yung given angle is less than 0 or greater than 360 degrees, mainam na gagawin nyo po mga boss is kunin nyo muna yung smallest positive coterminal angle at saka bago nyo kunin yung reference angle. So meron din po tayong video na ginawa kung paano kumuha ng smallest positive coterminal angle sa pinakamadaling paraan. Ilalagay ko din po yung link sa baba para mas madali nyo makita yung video. So yung gagamitin nating formula mga boss sa pagkuha ng smallest positive coterminal angle of 495 is we're going to say the smallest coterminal angle is theta sub 1 equals, we are going to use a minus 360 degrees times n. Your a is the given angle at saka n can be any positive integers. Okay, so we have equal to, so a is 495, okay, subtracted by 360 degrees times, so yung n natin mga bosses, pwede tayo mag trial and error. So dapat yung i-multiply natin sa 360 degree na positive value is pag sinabtract natin sa 495, we will have a smallest positive coterminal angle. Dapat yung smallest positive coterminal angle natin mga boss is greater than 0 but less than 360 degrees. So yung n natin mga boss is 1. Okay? So 360 times 1, that is 360. If we're going to subtract 495 by 360, that equals 135 degrees. So ito na po yung smallest positive coterminal angle natin. Okay? So ito po yung gagamitin natin sa pagkuha ng reference angle. So hindi na tayo gagamit ng 495 but instead we're going to use the smallest positive coterminal angle which is 135 degrees. Now, i-determine natin kung saang quadrant na locate yung terminal side ng 135 degree angle. Okay? So since the terminal side of the 135 degree angle lies in quadrant 2, okay? So we are going to use the formula, okay? Theta sub 2 is our reference angle, equals 180 degrees, okay, minus 135 degrees. That is the given angle na, or the smallest positive coterminal angle of 495. So this is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So tama, this is 45 degrees. So this is now the reference angle of 495 degrees. That is 45 degree. Now, after na nating makuha yung reference angle, okay, pwede na nating ma-determine yung kanyang coordinates. So, babalik tayo doon sa binigay kong technique regarding sa reference angle. So, pag yung reference angle is 45, ito yung possible na coordinates, okay, ng point of intersection ng terminal side at saka ng unit circle. Now, yung 495 degree angle or yung 135 degree angle, saan makikita yung terminal side? Okay, tama, sa quadrant 2. Since nasa quadrant 2 siya, okay, so yung ating x-coordinate is negative at saka yung y-coordinate natin is positive. In other words, we have here a coordinate of negative square root of 2 over 2 at saka square root of 2 over 2. Okay. So, after na natin ma-determine yung kanyang coordinates ng point of intersection ng terminal side at saka ng ating unit circle, pwede na nating makuha yung sine 495 degrees. Okay? So, that is equal to the y-coordinate. So, ano yung y-coordinate natin? Tama. Yung square root of 2 over 2. Okay, next. We can also find for the value of cosine 495 degrees. That is equal to the x-coordinate. So, x-coordinate natin is negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay? So, next, we can now solve for the tangent for 95 degrees kasi nakuha na natin yung value ng sine tsaka cosine 495 degrees. That is equal to y, that is square root of 2 over 2, divided by x, that is negative square root of 2 over 2. So, tangent 495 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2 divided by negative square root of 2 over 2. So, by simplifying, this is now square root of 2 over 2. Multiply 2, the reciprocal of this is 2 square root of 2. Okay, 2 over square root of 2. So, we can cancel this. We cancel this. So, this is 1. This is now 1. 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. Therefore, the tangent 495 degrees is equal to negative 1. So, the value of our sine 495 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. The cosine 495 degrees is negative square root of 2 over 2. And tangent 495 degrees is equal to negative 1. Okay, next, we have 5 pi over 3. So, mas maganda po na i-convert muna natin yung radian measure since the given angle is in a radian measure. Mas mainam po na i-convert muna natin siya sa degree measure para mas madali nating makuha yung sine, cosine at tangent value nito. Okay? So, in order to convert 5 pi over 3 into degree measure, meron din po tayong ginawang video regarding that. Ilalagay ko na naman po sa description sa baba yung link. Okay? Yung gagawin lang natin is magmumultiply lang tayo mga boss ng 180 degrees over 5. This is equal to, cancel ito, 180 degree divided by 3 is 60 times 5 is 300. So therefore, that is equivalent to 300 degrees. So, ang gagawin natin mga boss, after that, determine natin yung reference angle ng 300 degrees. Okay? So, since the terminal side of 300 degree angle lies in quadrant 4, okay? So, therefore, we're going to use the formula of reference angle is equal to 360 degree minus A. Okay? So, this is equal to 360 degree. A is the given angle. that is 300 degree. So, we have here 60 degree as the reference angle. So, the reference angle is 60 degree of 300 degree angle. So, once nakuha na natin yung reference angle, we can now determine the coordinates, okay, of the point of intersection between the terminal side of 300 degree and the unit circle. Since the reference angle is 60 degree, so ito po yung possible na coordinates. So, since the terminal side lies in quadrant 4, so ibig sabihin, positive yung x coordinate, negative yung y coordinate. So, we have here 1/2 tsaka negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay? After nating makuha yung coordinates, okay, we can now determine the value of sine 300 degrees. So that is the y value or the y coordinate, that is negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay. Next, cosine 300 degree, that is the x coordinate, that is 1/2. Okay. Then, tangent 300 degrees. Okay, pwede na nating makuha yung value ng tangent 300 degrees because we have now the value of sine 300 and cosine 300 degrees. That is equivalent to negative square root of 3 over 2, okay, divided by 1/2. Okay, so this is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2 times the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. So, cancel this. Okay. The answer would be negative square root of 3 times 1, that is negative square root of 3. So, therefore, tangent 300 degrees is negative square root of 3. I hope may natutunan kayo sa ating video. Thank you for watching and God bless.